Have you ever wondered how some people seem to build wealth while others are stuck in the grind? What if I told you there's a clear, actionable path to creating a steady income stream and financial freedom? Real estate investing, especially rental properties, is one of the most reliable ways to grow wealth. And guess what? You don't need a massive bankroll or a business degree to get you started. All you need is a roadmap. And today, I'm going to dive into my step-by-step guide for buying your first rental property. So let's unlock the door to your financial future. Hey, my name's Bud Evans. I'm a 35-year military veteran and former police officer. We're going to talk about the steps. Step one is determining your investment goals. So before you start, ask yourself, why do I want to invest in real estate? You want to define your purpose. This is going to give you clarity and focus. Maybe you're looking for an alternative retirement plan because traditional options like a 401k aren't cutting it. That's why I got started. Or maybe you have a dream of creating a passive income stream so you can quit your 9-to-5 job or replace some income. Whatever your goal is, write it down. This isn't just about numbers, it's about your future. Once you have your why nailed down, let's think about your strategy. Are you interested in cash flow, appreciation, maybe a mix of both? For example, some investors target rent-to-own properties for higher returns, while others stick to long-term rentals for steady income. So choose the path that aligns with your goals and your financial resources. Step two, we're going to choose a location. Real estate is all about location. A great property in the wrong neighborhood can tank your investment. So start by deciding if you want to invest locally or if you want to invest out of state. If you're going local, look for neighborhoods on the rise, areas with new schools, improving infrastructure, lower crime rates, often called the path of progress. These are prime spots. For example, if you notice new businesses and developments popping up in a certain neighborhood, that's usually a pretty good sign. If you're looking for out-of-state markets, research cities with strong job growth, affordable housing prices, and high rental demand. Metropolitan areas offer better opportunities, but you're going to need to partner with some reliable property managers to handle your day-to-day operations from afar. Tools like I use FlipperForce can help you analyze potential markets and narrow down your options. Get your finances in order. So let's talk about your numbers. Before you buy a property, assess your financial health. Start by checking your credit score because that's going to determine your mortgage options. Higher score means better rates, which saves you money in the long run. Next, we're going to calculate how much we can afford for a down payment and closing costs. For investment properties, banks typically require at least 20% down, and several hard money lenders do as well. So if you're eyeing a $250,000 property, you're going to need $50K up front. To streamline the process, let's get a pre-approval from either a mortgage company or a hard money lender. Mortgage broker can shop you around for the best rates and give you an edge when making offers. Pre-approval shows sellers that you're serious, which is a big advantage in competitive markets. All bets are off when you're using private money. You can walk in with a cash offer. Calculating your cash flow is step 4. So cash flow is king in real estate. To calculate it, subtract your property's expenses, mortgage, taxes, insurance, maintenance from your rental income. The goal here is to have money left over every month. So, for example, let's say your mortgage payment is $1,800 and your total monthly expenses are $2,200. If you can rent the property for $2,600, your cash flow is $400. Positive cash flow not only gives you a steady income, but also a financial cushion for unexpected repairs and vacancies. Don't forget to factor in your hidden costs like property management fees and your maintenance set-asides. Use tools like FlipperForce to run the numbers accurately and ensure your investment is sustainable. Step 5, here comes the fun part. This is finding the right property. We're going to start by connecting with real estate agents and wholesalers who specialize in working with investors. The agents understand what you're looking for and can help you find the deals that align with your goals. Find wholesalers by attending local REIAs or real estate investor meetups, and use online platforms like Zillow or Realtor.com or Facebook Marketplace. Networking is key here, and often the best deals come from word of mouth or marketing opportunities. Be patient, though. It's better to wait for the right deal than to rush into a bad one. Stick to your criteria and don't let emotions drive your decisions. Steps, this is where we make the offer. We found our property. You like it. It's time to make the offer. Keep your emotions in check and approach this step strategically. If the property is listed at $270,000, but your calculations only show it's worth $250,000, don't be afraid to negotiate. Have your agent communicate the offer or make the offer yourself quickly to show that you're serious. Speed matters, especially in the competitive markets of today. Remember, your offer has to be based on logic and numbers, not emotion. This is an investment, not a dream home, so stick to your calculations and don't overpay just to win a bidding war. But if you've done your homework, make the offer. You miss 100% of the shots that you don't take. Now we're going to conduct due diligence as step 7. So before you finalize the deal, we're going to do the rest of our homework. We're going to hire a home inspector, check the property's condition, look for issues like a leaking roof, outdated wiring, or even foundation problems. Sometimes you bring your GC to walk through with you to ensure that everything is ready to go. At the same time, you're going to verify the financial side of things. We're going to double check our cash flow calculations and ensure that our mortgage terms are still favorable. If anything feels off, walk away. It's better to lose a deal than to invest in a money pit. Some of the best deals I've made are the ones I walked away from. Zoning is another critical factor here, making sure your property is zoned for its intended use. For example, if you're planning to rent out multiple units, make sure that the zoning laws allow you to do it. Don't buy a duplex and find out later on it's only a single-family home. Step 8 is securing your financing. So here's the final step in locking in your financing. Once your due diligence checks out, work closely with your lender to finalize your mortgages. Be prepared to provide documents like tax returns, bank statements, and proof of income. The closing process can feel overwhelming. It's a little bit easier with a hard money lender, but it's still pretty tough. With stacks of paperwork to review and sign, take your time to understand the terms and ask questions if anything is unclear to you. Once everything is finalized, you will officially own your first rental property. Now let's talk about management, step 9. Owning a rental property isn't just a set it and forget it investment. You're going to need a plan for property management. You have two options. You can manage it yourself like I do, or you can hire a property management company like I own. If you choose to self-manage, you want to focus on tenant screening, lease agreements, and building really good relationships with your tenants. Happy tenants are more likely to stay for a long term, reducing your turnover costs. I aim for 5 to 6 years per tenant. If you'd rather outsource property management, remember you're going to have to set aside some cash. The company can handle everything from collection, rent collection, to maintenance, and this option is ideal if you're managing multiple properties or live far away from your investments. Step 10 is get ready to grow. So once you've mastered your first rental property, start thinking about scaling. Reinvest your profits into additional properties and diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. For example, you might want to add a vacation rental to complement your long-term rental income, or you can explore multifamily properties for higher cash flow. The key here is to grow strategically. Don't overextend yourself financially. Okay, so I just walked you through the step-by-step process of buying a rental property. From setting clear goals to managing your investments, each step builds on the last, bringing you closer to financial freedom. Remember, real estate investing is a marathon, not a sprint. So stay patient, stay focused, and keep learning. With the right strategy and determination, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Now, go ahead out there, take some action, take your first step towards building your real estate empire. Until the next video, aim high. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. If you did, please show us some love and smash that like button. Your support means everything to us and helps us reach more people like you who want to aim high in real estate. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell icon so that you can stay up to date on all of our future content. If you're hungry for more real estate and finance related videos, we've got you covered. We can't wait to see your success stories in real estate investing. Till next time, aim high. We'll see you soon.